Yogurt is a popular dairy product which is made by the bacterial fermentation of milk. It has been consumed by humans for hundreds of years, and eating it regularly can boost several aspects of your health. In this video, you will know 6 proven health benefits you could get if you eat yogurt on a daily basis. Number 1. Rich in essential nutrients. Yogurt contains some of nearly every nutrient that your body needs. It's known for containing a lot of calcium, a mineral necessary for healthy teeth and bones. Just 1 cup provides 49% of your daily calcium needs. It is also high in B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12 and riboflavin, both of which may protect against heart disease and certain neural tube birth defects. Number 2. Rich in protein. Yogurt provides an impressive amount of protein, which plays a crucial role in building your body. Getting enough protein is very important for appetite regulation too, as it increases the production of hormones that signal fullness. It may automatically reduce the number of calories you consume, which is beneficial for weight control. Number 3. Beneficial for digestive health. Some types of yogurt contain live bacteria or probiotics that were either a part of the starter culture or added after pasteurization. These can benefit digestive health when consumed. To ensure that your yogurt contains effective probiotics, look for one that contains live active cultures, which should be listed on the label. Number 4. Supports immune system. Consuming yogurt on a regular basis can strengthen your immune system and reduce your likelihood of contracting an illness. The immune-enhancing properties of yogurt are partly due to its magnesium, selenium and zinc, which are trace minerals known for the role they play in the health of immune system. Number 5. Protect against osteoporosis. Yogurt contains some key nutrients for maintaining bone health, including calcium, protein, potassium, phosphorus, and vitamin D. All of these vitamins and minerals are especially helpful for preventing osteoporosis, which is a condition characterized by weakening of the bones. Number 6. Enhances heart health. Yogurt's fat content is one of the reasons why its healthiness is often controversial. It contains mostly saturated fat, with a small amount of monounsaturated fatty acids. Saturated fat was previously believed to cause heart disease, but current research shows that this isn't the case. There is no clear evidence that the fat in yogurt is harmful to your health. In fact, it may benefit heart health. So, have 1 cup of yogurt daily to experience these 6 impressive health benefits.